What's up guys, Nick Rapazzi here. Welcome to the NR Motorsports YouTube channel. So we're back to work on the Datsun. Tonight the goal is I just want to get this piece in and possibly start removing some of the rear. So I'm gonna get a cardboard box. I'll throw you guys in a time lapse. We'll get this thing made up in cardboard, and then we will cut it right out of that sheet right there because it's the same thickness material as this. And then we're gonna clean up this entire bottom and steel it as well because I want to build the frame rail extensions too, and I don't want this to flash rust anymore. So yeah, all right guys, so I got the template made up so this way I can just set you guys up and we'll cut this out of metal. It's almost like a really tight fit, so when I cut the metal I'm going to cut it right on the line, so this way it kind of makes the difference up with the blade, so this way it'll probably fit just perfect, so we don't have gaps and shit like this when I was trying to fix this kind of stuff. So it was kind of ass trying to plug weld shit, and it was so much easier with a nice tight fit on this side. So let's get this cut out and get it in here.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Yeah.
All right, dude, so we got most of it in. There's like 3 or 4 spots that I gotta come back in and like touch up weld. I don't know, I'm still not getting like a couple spots like I would get it like really good. But I'm gonna do a little bit more research on the settings and what each one actually does instead of me just guessing and throwing them around. But yeah, I'm super excited that this is in here. I'll probably come in Saturday, definitely gonna come in Saturday, and I'll clean all this shit up and grind that down, make sure that everything's welded in properly, and then we'll get to this frame rail and weld in that piece right there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please get a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and any comments, put them down in the comment section below. All right, I'll see y'all later. Peace.